Assalamu alaikum. Please subscribe Ali and Sarah Islamic Kids channel.
Bismillah.
Bismillah Allahu Allah. Bismillah Allahu Allah. Bismillah Allahu Allah. Start every day. Wash my hair nice and clean. Wash it gently, fresh and clean. Thank you Allah, you are kind. Alhamdulillah. Wash my face, splash, splash, splash. Wash my face, splash, splash, splash. Smile so bright and feel so fresh. Alhamdulillah. Wash my hands, scrub, scrub, scrub. Wash my hands, scrub, scrub, scrub. Clean before I eat my food. Alhamdulillah. Wash my arms, clean and bright. Wash my arms, left and right. Keeping tidy every day. Alhamdulillah.
Bismillah
Wash my feet, wash with care. Wash my feet, nice and fair. Ready now to pray Salah. Alhamdulillah. Say my dua every day. Ask Allah to guide my way. Thank you Allah for everything. Alhamdulillah.